Attract your soulmate. I-attract mo na, as in, ngayon na. Yes, he or she is waiting for you. Right as of this moment. Nakaabang lang at hinihintay ka na dumating sa life niya. At sa buhay niya. Naniniwala ka ba doon? Okay. Better be at dapat lang. Paniwalaan mo para lumapit sa'yo. I-law of attraction mo na. Okay, yes. As in, ngayon na. Okay. Attract your soulmate. Find him. Find her. Where is he? Where is she? Okay. Okay, nandyan lang siya sa tabi-tabi. Or minsan pala, nakasakay mo na sa jeep. Sa LRT, sa MRT, sa bus. Or dumaan na. Sa harap mo. Okay. How nice naman that one, di ba? Okay, yes, oo, okay. Attract your soulmate. Ituro mo kung nasaan siya. Okay, oo, opo. Attract your soulmate. Places are important. Doon mo siya mamimit. Sa mga lugar na di mo inaasahan. Okay, attract your soulmate, yes. Oo, opo, okay. Look at the moon. It is shining bright. Look at you, looking good, well and just, being awesome as you should be. Okay, yes, opo. Attract your soulmate. Be the best you that you could ever be. Okay, attract your soulmate. Be a person who is nice and kind to the whole world. Okay, attract your soulmate, opo. Pero paano nga ba? I-visualize mo na. Nakasama mo siya palagi. Na you are always with him. Or with her, yes. Attract your soulmate. Mag-coffee ka muna. Baka nasa coffee shop din siya kapag attract your soulmate. Find out what your soulmate wants. And figure it out, okay? Attract your soulmate. Nasaan kaya siya ngayon? Alamin mo. Ano ba type mo sa isang girl or boy? And what kind of relationship do you want? Attract your soulmate. Be presentable, be sweet, be simple, be cute. Okay. Alagaan ang sarili. Maging malinis at mabango. Okay. Maligo, mag-body spray. Perfume, okay. Wear nice clothes, yes, okay. Attract your soulmate. Marami ka bang natutuklasan sa love and life advices ko dito sa YouTube? Mabuti naman kung ganun. Speak up, dear. Like, comment, subscribe. Speak up, dear.